Namaskar. Imagine moving to a new city, heart full of dreams, but your tongue trips over the local language. You're trying, but before you can even say "Kasa ahes," someone confronts you. Not with a book, not with a smile, but with a threat. Is that how we want the world to see our beautiful Marathi, as a language of fear? Let me tell you a story that happened in a small chawl in Mumbai. It's about an elderly woman and a young guy, Kumar, who moved in from the north. One evening, some local boys cornered Kumar. They were shouting, "तू मराठी बोलायला पाहिजे. You must speak in Marathi." They were very aggressive. They thought they were being heroes. But then Aji walked out. She didn't join the shouting. She had a small plate in her hand with the warm, ghee dripping puran poli. She looked at the boys and said, "बाळांनो, थांबा. जरा शांत व्हा. Be quiet for a moment." Then she looked at the boy who was shouting the loudest and asked him, "तू ही पुरणपोळी कधी खाल्ली आहेस का? हिचा गोडवा, sweetness तुला माहितीये?" She turned to Kumar and then handed him the plate and said, "हे खा. ह्याला पुरणपोळी म्हणतात. आणि आमची मराठी भाषा पण हिच्यासारखीच गोड आहे. It's sweet." In that moment, she did more for Marathi language than any slogan or any act of violence ever could. She didn't use her hand to hit, she used it to feed. Marathi मायबोली आहे. Marathi is a mother tongue, and a mother doesn't beat a child into loving her. She wins them over with maya, affection. When we see news of people being harassed or beaten for not speaking in Marathi, my heart sinks. Language is a bridge, it's not a wall. When you beat someone, you don't teach them language, you teach them to hate the culture behind it. To truly promote Marathi, we don't need to be loud, we need to be lovable. We need to share our abhangas, our history of Parakram, and our incredible food. This Maraठी Bhasha Gaurav Din, let's take a pledge. आम्ही मराठी बोलतो कारण आम्हाला आमचा अभिमान आहे. पण आम्ही प्रेमही वाटतो कारण ती आमची संस्कृती आहे. We speak Marathi because we are proud, but we also spread love because that is our culture. Don't just force the words, share the soul. Because when someone feels the love in your language, they won't just speak it, they'll cherish it. तुम्हा सर्वांना मराठी भाषा गौरव दिनाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. स्प्रेड द मराठी गोडवा, नॉट द फिअर.